Hi, we received this blanket ladder as a gift so that we could put it together and show you how cool it looks. So it comes with everything that you need, instruction manual, all of the pieces, and you'll see the ladder comes in, it's got the two sides like that unfold with the hinges. And then you just start out with one side and you do the rungs of the ladder, and then you do the other side, put them all together with the Allen wrench. It has these kind of bumper pads to protect the wall, and then there are also the bumper pads at the bottom. They're just adhesive stickers that you put on, and then it's got these really fun hooks that you can put on here. That top rung you can do like the rest of them, or you can make it go up and down so that you can put the hooks on it, give it a little bit of a different look. And so here is the blanket ladder by itself. And then here's the blanket ladder with a few blankets on it. So we highly recommend it. Thank you.